Looking over at the 980H, you will see Caterpillar's legacy bucket shape. This is also commonly seen on many competitive buckets in the market today. Looking at the wear pattern on the paint, you'll notice that there is fresh paint still inside the top edges of the mold board, indicating that when the bucket is rolled back, we're not necessarily getting the full amount of payload. When you're going to retrofit a 980H for rebuild, remember that you can put a Performance Series bucket on that machine to enhance not only the production, but also lower fuel consumption by 5 to 7%. This model also has Caterpillar's CPM standalone payload system mounted in the cab. Another added benefit giving you that on-the-go weighing, which has low lift weigh and dynamic tip-off, even in a rebuild machine. For more information, please contact your Caterpillar dealer.